Okay, now in previous lessons, they had given us this visualizing for success, but we hadn't done them. And I thought now might be a good time to sort of pull together what an equation and its graph would look like. So part of it is to take a look, and if I make it smaller so you can see everything on one page, then you can't read it. But you have 10 graphs and you have 10 formula, and you are to try to match it up. Now notice only two of these, or actually three, are not a straight line. So we can make it a little bigger here, and hopefully you can still see it. There we go, yeah. This is not a straight line. So this is a parabola. So the equation of this one, and maybe I could just do it this way here. This one is going to be y equals x squared. And you could match that up over here. Now in the case of B, this is the line I just showed a moment ago, because this is y equals x cubed. Now this straight line, we know it's going over 1 up 1, so it's going to be y equals, our slope of this over 1 up 1 is just plain x, but our y-intercept is at 1, 2, 3. So that's this particular equation. Over 1 up 1, yep. Now this one is over 1 up 1, but the origin is where the y-intercept is, so this is just y equals x. All right, this is sort of working out. Now this is a horizontal line going through 1, 2, 3, and you could, it will be bigger in your frame on if you go to the textbook. Y equals 3. This is the formula y equals b, which is a horizontal line. Now for this one, it's over 1 up 2. So this is going to be y equals 2x. Your slope is 2 over 1, but the y-intercept is through the origin. Now this one is to the left. It's going to be negative slope over 1 up 1. So this will be y equals a negative x, going through the origin at 0. Now this one is over 1 up 2, but it's going through at 3. So it's y equals x, 2x I should say, plus 3. So it's similar to this one, but the y-intercept is up 3. All right, this one is over 1 up 1. So this is going to be y equals x, but it's down 3. 1, 2, what is it, 3 or 4? Let me see. One, kind of hard to say. I think it's 3. And this one was that special one we did back in chapter 5, where it's absolute value. So y is equal to the absolute value of x. Now if it was x plus 3, then it would raise it up. X minus 3 would drop it down. And if it was x minus 3 within the absolute value, it would shift that over to a positive. Again, lots of stuff going on here. I think it was interesting to look at all of the functions, All of these y's, by the way, could be changed to function of x instead of the y. As a nice review, and it's about 5 minutes.